In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to categorize transactions in Zoho Books, providing you with a complete guide for 2025. Let's start by ensuring you've logged into your Zoho Books dashboard, a crucial first step in managing your financial transactions and keeping your records up to date. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left side menu. You'll notice a variety of options here, but for our purposes today, you'll want to click on the Banking tab. This section is your go-to area for managing all things related to your monetary transactions. Upon entering the Banking section, you'll be greeted with a screen displaying all the bank accounts you've linked to Zoho Books. This setup allows for seamless tracking of your financial dealings. To give you a clearer understanding, our tutorial specifically uses the Petty Cash account as an example. So, let's go ahead and click on Petty Cash. As you do so, you might see a message indicating that no transactions have been recorded yet. Don't worry, this is just a starting point, and you have two options moving forward. You can either import a bank statement or add new transactions manually. For today's guide, we'll focus on manually adding transactions, so select the Add Transaction option. You'll also need to confirm this decision by clicking the Add Transaction button when prompted. This step will lead you to a new screen where several fields await your input. Here is where accuracy is key, as you'll be entering details such as the date of the transaction, the amount involved, and importantly, the category it falls under. Categorizing your transactions correctly is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, and it can vastly improve your financial analysis over time. In case you realize you've made an error, or if any details need tweaking, there's an Edit option available to you. This function allows you to modify any information you've initially entered, ensuring that your records remain precise and up to date. Once you've filled out all the necessary details and are confident that everything is accurate, the last step is to click Save. This action will finalize the entry, storing the transaction details securely within your Zoho Books system. It's as simple as that. Not only does this process help in managing your financial transactions effectively, but it also ensures you're always ready for any financial review or reporting needs that come your way. Using these steps, you'll be well equipped to categorize transactions in Zoho Books efficiently, keeping your financial information organized and precise. I hope you found this guide helpful, and you feel more confident navigating your financial records within Zoho Books. Happy categorizing!